Hey y'all, it's the girl Della back with another video. By the title, you already know what's good and what's poppin', so let's get straight into the video. We're gonna run a couple errands. We're gonna do a little something. So we're gonna have mommy time, errands, and cute potting, all in a little video. So y'all coming on a little vlog with me. Is y'all ready? Let's go. The car dealership. I forgot my phone in the car, but we're on our way. You already know it, Dunkin' Donuts, so let's go. Oh, at my favorite place. Oh, what happened? Wow.
You said 2 gingerbread, 2
caramel.
Okay. Any cream or sugar?
Yes, can I get regular cream and sugar and whipped cream? Can I have 2 hazelnut shots in there, please?
The unsweetened ones?
Correct.
Okay.
And the stuffed bagel minis?
Okay, would you like the everything flavored ones or just the plain ones?
Yes, I'll take the everything one and I'll order a hash browns.
Okay.
Complete my order, thank you.
Okay, your total will be $5.97. Go ahead and go around.
Thank you. They say you earn 2 times points on the mini stuffed bagels, and that's what I got. I love their bagels, and they just be having cool stuff. Enjoy free donut Friday. It's not Friday, it's Saturday, but you know, y'all get the gist. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Thank you too. Y'all, ooh, let me get y'all hip. It's dripping, y'all. It's dripping. Let me get y'all hip because, baby. Hold on.
We have arrived, y'all. I'm so excited. Hold on.
But first, let me tell y'all what I got. I accidentally got sugar. I don't usually get sugar because of everything else that I have. So I got a medium iced dark roast with gingerbread swirl, 2 pumps of gingerbread swirl, 2 caramel, regular cream and sugar, but I just get cream because I add whipped cream on top, and 2 hazelnut shots. Alright, y'all don't really know Dunkin' Donuts like I do. Just a simple fact because I work there. The hazelnut shot, you get it, you get the, you know, the little taste of the hazelnut, but you don't get the sugar. It's sugar-free. We have sugar-free flavors. Well, they do. I don't work there no more. But this gives me the jollies and the happy holidays. And look at their cup. Like, y'all, I just finished in this essay today. So this is like my little reward, my little weekly getaway. So, my belly is full. I am excited. Let's go see what we can find. What we find. My tip for you guys is to always connect to the internet, no matter if you have data or not. You're gonna need it. Also, if you grab 2 of those for $10 each, they're $20. Save 15. Spend 15, save $30. So you'll need your subtotal to be $28 for that. For your 5 off 25 to come out. I'm to do a second transaction. So say they're out, but I'm gonna try again at the other store. You're gonna grab these for $2.95. And you're gonna, with the $2 off and the 5 off 25, it's gonna come to 41 cents. You can also scan it and double check. So we're gonna add it to our cart. You're gonna always scan it. There you go. as well as for like the toothpaste and stuff. Ibotta is giving out rebates. You see, they're giving out rebates. For the pad, it's 5 off 2, making these $2.50 for each, but I'm good on this. I do need this right here. So let's see. Okay, it'll be 45 cents. So here's a rundown of everything. Oh, I'm sorry, just one moment. Did it come on? It's closed. I don't know if they're open or closed. $5.50. Were you able to tell me what came off? Did the allspice and the fish sponge come off? Really? Wow. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to try out that new coffee, the new flavors. They got peppermint. They got all different kinds. I'm gonna go to my house, figure out what I'm gonna eat, and edit the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye, y'all. This week alone, I did 2 different transactions. And I saved $4 here, and I saved $18.60. So with this one, I got some wipes, 2 deodorants. It was marked for $2.95. That one was $2.50. That was a penny after coupons. That was $2. This one was $5, but I'm gonna get $1.50 from Ibotta. The Trendit was buy one get one. That was $3.50. Got it for like 94 cents, I want to say. Let me see. So it came out to 50 cents. That was $2.50. I got 3 of them. I just needed it. Didn't have no coupons. That was 95 cents. This was $1. It's originally $4. So with this one, saved. Got it for. I got it for $15.85 with a total savings of $18.60. This was my second transaction. It was just 4 items, but I saved a total of $4, and my subtotal was $195. After taxes, it was $235. So I got this free, and I paid for those 2. So let's go to Ibotta and get some money back for this one. So that was my mistake. Ibotta didn't have any rebates. So I'm going on Fetch, and I'm gonna just scan my receipt.